Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Etsy payments and seller dashboard access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Etsy payments, start by visiting the Etsy website. Log into your Etsy account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Shop Manager. In the Shop Manager, locate and click on the Finances tab. From the Finances section, select Payment Settings. You will see an option to set up Etsy payments. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. Carefully read the information provided about Etsy payments. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your business information. This includes your bank account details for deposits. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid delays. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. Etsy may ask for additional documents, such as a government-issued ID. Submit the necessary documents as requested. After submitting your information, wait for Etsy to. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is set up. Once your Etsy payments are authenticated, access your seller dashboard. Go back to the Shop Manager. In the Shop Manager, you should see various options, including your sales and performance metrics. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its layout. Use this section to track orders, manage listings, and access customer messages. Regularly check your dashboard for updates and important notifications. That wraps up the process of authenticating Etsy payments and accessing your seller dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.